Hello friends, I welcome you to IAS Kannada Vahini. As usual, that is KS Preliminary 2020. The question on environment continues. So today's question is about Nagaland and the northeast part of India. Nagaland mountains are becoming increasingly barren mountains mainly due to four answer options: insurgency, shifting cultivation, urbanization, rapid population growth. So you are supposed to find out the answer for the, you can select the destruction of the Nagaland mountains. As you know, Nagaland is one of the states in the northeastern part of India and also very important hilly state, small state. Here, the main tribe is Naga, that is a very old or ancient tribe in India, one of the ancient tribes in India. Insurgency means mainly like militant operation. Yes, Naga front is there. That is mainly demanding some kind of the broader state, and also it is involving in some kind of militant activities, what we call like insurgency. That is also backed by Myanmar outfits. Now it is almost like suppressed. Third, that is not the reason for like becoming barren mountains. It is not directly connected with the barrenness of the Nagaland mountains. Second one or the third answer option is urbanization. Nagaland is not so urbanized state. There is no such influx of the people to the capital of the Nagaland or like rural side of the Nagaland. So there is no such a significant urbanization process is taking place in the Nagaland. Third one or fourth one, that is fourth, rapid population growth. That is also not the reason. It is not witnessing a high population growth rate. It is like moderate one compared to some other state like UP or Bihar. So A, C, and D are as options, answer options ruled out. Now coming to the shifting cultivation. So in the India or in Indian subcontinent, the cultivation practice called shifting cultivation is practiced in the Nagaland. I think all of you know. In Kannada, it is called Alemari Krashi Paddhati. Shifting cultivation means the tribes usually cut the trees or destruct the forest, cut the forest and settle there for around 10 or 7 years or 5 years, depends. Then when the land becomes barren, they will move to some other areas. So this intensity of the shifting cultivation has intensified, that is in the Nagaland. So that is the one of the major reasons for the destruction of Nagaland mountains. And locally it is known as Jhum cultivation. Jhum cultivation means shifting cultivation. Then second aspect is subsistence agriculture. What is subsistence agriculture? There are three types of agriculture. One is subsistence, second one is commercial agriculture, third one is like shifting agriculture or shifting cultivation. Subsistence agriculture means the producing of the agriculture crops only for family purpose or for family consumption. The growing of the crops only for subsistence or life sufficiency, then it is called subsistence. Suppose the same people grow the crops for commercial purpose, then it will become like commercial agriculture, or like you can say like agriculture for commercial purpose. So subsistence agriculture and shifting cultivation is both are present, that is in the Nagaland. Therefore, the you can say like the mainly flora, the vegetation has totally, you can say like becoming absent in the Nagaland mountains. That's why they have become barren. So for this question, answer is obviously it is B, shifting cultivation.